I am back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I wear my lashes literally within 5 minutes or less. So today I'm wearing these lashes. I got them from online. I really love them. I've gone through them, like they're literally almost over, and I shared some with my friends. So yeah, today we are wearing the minky ones, and I can't find my tweezers. Where are you? Come on. Oh, here you are. So today I am wearing these bad boys, and this is the glue I use. And these are the lashes I'm gonna go ahead and wear. So benefit number one of using bonding glue. Bonding glue is unlike, let me show you guys. So I did my makeup off camera, and anyway guys, as I was telling you, so my hands have makeup all over them, don't mind that. So this is literally my best eyelash glue. I had this. So the difference is this, you have to wait for them for it, like it's duo. Is it duo? I don't know what it's called. It's called eye. So you have for duo or this, you have to wait for it to dry for like 3 minutes, and then the consistency is not as thick and as quick attaching, and I don't want that struggle when I'm putting on my lashes. So I prefer bonding glue. Bonding glue is messy, so be careful.
No, sis, we did this yesterday. Remember? I know. We're not letting it happen again today. It's not happening today. Okay.
And then I can, I feel like it's a superpower because I can wear my lashes with my hands. Like if I'm really late, girl, I will just pick my hand and just put it on there. So do not put eyelashes directly on your lid. Do not put eyelashes on top of your real natural lashes. You will lose them when you're taking down your fake ones. So what you want to do, you want to just put them on top of your eyelid, directly on top of your natural eyelashes. So like this. Okay, I have to use my mirror, so see, like that. And then you start with the outer corner, and then just with the inner, and just gently place it on. Voila. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust it. Just make sure it's sitting down there, and press it. Ow, I just stabbed my freaking eye. Whew. Okay, see, it's just, I'm gonna wait for it to dry and just press it down. Easy peasy. Let me do the other one. So spicy? Not spicy. Next eyelash, same process.
On top of the lid. No, shit. So, on top of the natural lashes, not like on the lid, just let me just explain. So you're gonna go like right there, and then the edge to the corner, and then again to the corner here. And yeah. Easy peasy.
My right side is probably dry now. I'll go ahead and have it. Okay, so I'll use these tweezers now to just, you know, attach to my freckles. Just press them. So just pressing, pressing, pressing. We're just pressing them together. On the other side. So believe it or not, ladies, we're 3/4 there. See, they look like already they're ready to go. Boom. Hello.
Trust the process. The tantalization is coming. Anyways.
So next, where the hell is my mascara? Guys, do you guys keep losing your shit in the house? Like, I lose my makeup every single day. Like, either a brush or something. Anyway, let me just find my mascara.
Bitch. Oh, one moment. Let me just...
Mascara. So I'm going to put on mascara on the top lid and the lower lid just to blend them in. You know, so you don't see it. You know, real versus fake. No, we don't do that here. We wanna like make them relatives. So we wanna make them relatives.
Can you hear the sound?
So just go on.
Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things about to change, it's evolution. Once you shake the ground, you feel it moving.
Do you guys spot any difference? Like on this one, like you could clearly see my eyeshadow and my, you know, like concealer. But this, like this, like, there's a whole family reunion going on here. So okay, let me do the front part. Ah, mess. I just put mascara on my lid. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry and take it off. Yeah, let's just move on. Okay. So see? Oh, let me do my bottom lid. So that's the first coat, guys. This mascara is very runny. I prefer like a thick mascara to a runny one. I'm very messy with a runny mascara, so it seems like I have to put on more cotton. Let me just put on a little bit more.
Can you hear the sound?
So do you guys see? I will not put more because I am 100% sure I will fuck it up and I will have like a messy eye, because already you could see I have mascara on my lid that I'm waiting for it to dry, so I scrape it off. So let's move on to the next eye. Okay. So we're filling her up. up. So where was I before somebody knocked on my door? So I wanted to put like a little bit more on my lower lashes. Like it's really light. It's a really light mascara. So just have to deal. I prefer Maybelline mascaras. They are the best. I'm telling you. The consistency is thick. You would think it would give you trouble like to put on, but it really spreads well. And it's matte, and it just like it's voluminous. So let me just put this on the last coat. It's definitely gonna get messy, so I just have to wait for it to dry, and then I'm just gonna scrape it off. So, what do you guys think? Easy peasy. I feel like bonding glue is the goat. So, those are my lashes. What do you think? So, guys, that marks it the end of our video. My mascara is still not dry. I'm gonna just wait it out until it's dry, and then maybe when I'm done getting ready, I'll get rid of it. So I hope you enjoyed my video on eyelashes. Please ask me more questions about eyelashes. Next time we'll do like an individual one. Like I like doing the subtle individual ones when I'm maybe going for school, for maybe like I don't know, like maybe a date, or it's just the subtle places. I feel like I don't want to do too much. That's when I do the single ones. And yeah, we'll keep tuned. We'll do that some other day. But I really hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you liked my lashes. They're extremely extra, but that's it. That's how I feel right now. So
But has that ever stopped me from extravaganza? Not in this life.
oh my god, it looks so good. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it.
Now go find rich husband.
Let me go get ready, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me more of what you want to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to stay happy, remember to stay safe, and yeah, I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.